Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your TC app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. You click here on notification categories. Then you come to next step here. You come here to Cordial here. Just click in this sign, like you see this color show for us. That's mean here Cordial notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.